Now, mushrooms have been around for a very, very long time. A mushroom is a fungus, and you wouldn't think that a mushroom could act like a medicine, but it has some powerful effects that can mimic actual drugs. So it's quite amazing. So let's go through 7 and talk about some of the effects that these certain nutrients in mushrooms can create. The first one is the Reishi mushroom. It has the ability to increase natural killer cells. Natural killer cells are pretty ninja cells. They basically can kill cancer cells and destroy viruses. This mushroom also can increase the number of white blood cells. Amazing. It has anti-cancer effects. Of course, this is one of them right here. It can decrease fatigue and help stabilize blood sugar. I'm going to put some references down below on all these points right here. Now, these mushrooms do a lot more than what I'm talking about. I'm just talking about the main effects that it can create. Shiitake mushrooms. 83% of all the shiitake mushrooms come from Japan. And they have the same amino acids as meat. They can decrease LDL. They can also lessen the plaquing, the amyloid plaquing in the brain. They have properties of decreasing blood pressure, and even one study indicated that it can inhibit leukemia, which is a blood cancer. Fascinating. Then we get lion's mane, which can prevent dementia. It's great for focus, concentration, memory. Why? Because it can increase the cell growth in the hippocampus, which is the area that if you lose this, you lose your memory. And by the way, as a side note, you can also lose the hippocampus by being vitamin B1 deficient, zinc deficient, and by consuming a high-carb diet. That's why keto is very beneficial. This part of the brain can regenerate. Okay, then we have chaga. It's antibacterial, it's antiviral, and it's anti-cancer. Pretty cool. All right, cordyceps. Now this is used by a lot of athletes. It's good for exercise performance, exercise endurance, strength. It's an adaptogen, so it helps you cope with stress and lessen the effect of stress on the body. There's actually 22 studies just on what it can do for chronic kidney disease by lessening this disease. Fascinating. They can prevent arrhythmias. And then we get turkey tail mushrooms. Powerful, powerful, powerful anti-cancer. It supports the immune system. It increases monocytes and fat.